Hey guys, and welcome to a survival Minecraft world. So, you may be wondering, why am I on Dad's account? Well, I'm not going to show you that yet. My computer died and it lost its memory, so I have to play it on Dad's computer. But, with all that aside, I gotta show you my Minecraft bunker. And if you see this, it says the bunker. So if you open this up, sorry it's a bit laggy. And if you close that, there's these two trap doors here. And there's a ladder. I'll just go in there to make it a little faster. And as you can see, I have fully customized it with the furniture mod. So this is my computer, pretty cool. This is my bed. This is my bed area, pretty cool as well. And then these are my 3 fire pits. And then this is my kitchen right here. And this is the kitchen table where I eat everything. And then this door right here, my bathroom. Sorry to get on a little unsanitary video, guys, but I got food. Oh! Sorry. Just had to do a little dump there. Come on, guys, just role play. Come on. And here's where I store all my weapons. I'm just gonna turn this light on. No, actually, no. And then here I got my LED couch. And here you can watch the news. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, Hero Brian in the woods. Watch out. Steve and Alex dating. What? But here I have my waypoints. So we're going to the cool coaster right now. I don't know why I just spawned there. Oh, I thought you spawned on the bottom. Why is it so laggy right now? Stop being so laggy. This happened when I was here the last time I played this. But as you can see, there's a set of carts. And if you can see up here, if my computer wouldn't be so laggy. Well, technically it's Dad's computer. We share the computer, but the problem is that it's got a few kinks to work out. It's got a few missing tracks, as you can see. It has mysterious ways to go. So it is pretty much a pretty weird coaster. Let me just show you what I've done to make this place. Well, guys, that seems to be the best way to end this video. But if you liked it, leave a comment and subscribe. And overall, I will do some more Minecraft in the future. But for now, bye everyone!